Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix location problems on your Google Maps service or app. So let's get right into it. Now, most problems you'll be having are tied to your mobile devices or to the mobile app. Usually there are no problems on the PC version. However, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix issues on both. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing I would recommend you do is make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're on a mobile device, make sure you're using high quality Wi-Fi networks, and if you're on the PC version, I would recommend you use the Ethernet cable to connect to the internet to make sure that the connection is as stable as it can possibly be. Other than that, on both platforms, you can also try clearing the cache. On PC, you should clear the cache of your browser, and on the mobile device you're using, you should try and clear the cache for your Google Maps app. Now, the rest of the tips are for specifically the mobile version. One of them is to make sure your location services are on, and this is usually done in the settings of your phone, and make sure that the location is allowed for Google Maps at all times and not just while the app is running. And also make sure that precise location is set up. You have options for that in the location settings on both Android and iOS, so make sure that the precise one is selected. Other than that, what you can use on the mobile version as well is the live view option, which you can use when you're using walking directions or walking navigation, where you can take pictures or record your surroundings. Make sure you focus on street signs and other elements such as buildings and not trees and anything of the sort, so that the application has a better time or easier time locating you. And also, if you're on mobile, you'll have a compass in the bottom right, which you should tap on to calibrate your compass to make sure that it is facing the right directions, so that north actually shows north and not for some reason, I don't know, 10 degrees northwest or something like that. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.